वीडियो चालू करवा लो, मैं कुछ भी करूँगी। I have had a breakdown. 1.5 घंटा लेट चल रही हूँ मैं। My phone died twice. It's back up. Change of plans. This will be my first appearance in her video. After I quit my job. यार मैं क्या करती रहती हूँ। I just ordered a to-do list from Blinkit. अभी it's 1:15 PM and it's coming और मैं लेने जा रही हूँ because अभी allowed नहीं है। So basically हुआ यूँ था कि जब मैंने वो देखा था तो वो Blinkit पे अवेलेबल नहीं था और बाकी सारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो थोड़ा महंगा था to-do list. So मैंने नहीं मंगवाया and of course it would take longer. फिर आज मैंने देखा ना तो Blinkit पे अवेलेबल था, so I just ordered it. Thank you भैया। एक तो मेरा पूरा नीचे का गीला हो गया अभी और ये अम्ब्रेला इतनी फालतू है, छी। What? एक काम है इसका, वो भी ढंग से नहीं कर पा रही है। But guys, we got it. Good night. See you tomorrow. I almost forgot कि मुझे जिम जाना है, so let's go. I'm late. Wow. Turns out the gym's closed. But ठीक है।
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
I give myself points for putting in the effort. भीग के आई हूँ मैं भाई, वीडियो चालू करवा लो, मैं कुछ भी करूँगी। पूरा भीग गई। Okay, I'll just give you some context. सुबह only I have had a breakdown and even yesterday I had a breakdown. So I am not feeling well. Like I've been wanting to post consistently on Instagram. That's the only goal मैं रखती हूँ खुद के लिए, बट मैं वो नहीं अचीव कर पा रही हूँ। आई एम नॉट इन द हेड स्पेस कि मुझे कोई अच्छे क्रिएटिव आइडियाज आए एंड जिम बंद हो गया था। I don't spare any time for myself to enjoy my own company, reading books, कोई भी न्यू हॉबी कुछ नहीं। मैं बस सुबह उठती हूँ, I start with phone, I am not tracking anything। मतलब मेरी लाइफ बस जा रही है और उसको मैं बस एज अ विटनेस देख रही हूँ। तो now all I am aiming at is to stick to the plan, ditch the mood and come out of the slump that I am in currently. I'm still working and planning my day. So getting back to the old systems because I think that really helped me. A quick hack. What I do is I actually use ChatGPT. Not important, कोई भी AI use कर सकते हो। उसमें I have created this section daily schedule. So I give out all the tasks that I need to do throughout the day to ChatGPT and I tell कि मैं कितने टाइम से कितने टाइम तक काम करने वाली हूँ, how many breaks I will need for what reasons or whatever. And ChatGPT creates like a flow for the day and it will help me understand कि मेरा आज कितना काम हो पाएगा, मुझे क्या पहले करना है क्या बाद में करना है, and then I can change it also accordingly. So this is very helpful because I can visualize the flow of the day in my mind and उसके हिसाब से I am not over expecting out of my day or I am not overwhelmed by the amount of work I need to do because मेरे पास पूरा time structure है and I am going back to this system that I used to follow and shout out to my fiance for giving me this system to get the work done. Lunch is done. Now starting with the work again. So I'll give you some overview about today because I want to keep this as transparent as possible. The schedule says 1:25 to 1:55 tak I have to do lunch and it's 1:51. Now I have to start with this script writing and this is how the entire schedule for the day is. One task down. I'm actually running super late. मतलब 1.5 घंटा लेट चल रही हूँ मैं, but I'm gonna get the edit done for today's post. Also बीच में थोड़ी झपकी आ गई थी. Okay, you know what? I'm even more late because मेरा storage खत्म हो गया था and I was trying to clear that out and it took forever. But now I'm gonna put 1 hour timer and this trick works out for me really well because अगर 1 घंटे में नहीं भी हुआ फिर भी I will be way better than जब मैं कुछ सोच के नहीं करती हूँ काम. 1 hours up and मेरा editing भी थोड़ा ही बाकी है, and then I'll post it. Exporting. And also I know that I have stayed in the same pot for the entire day because it's raining like crazy outside. अभी नहीं हो रही है, but it has been, and उसकी वजह से मैं ऑफिस नहीं जा पाई. I was also trying to go to a cafe which got cancelled. Posting done हो गई है. So I'm thinking कि मैं shoot तो नहीं कर पाऊंगी with this light, or or should I? Like, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what I should do. This is left. Make a video. Yep, there are. I am thinking of going to buy the things जो मुझे recipe video के लिए चाहिए, and I'm thinking of doing that. And रात को I'll complete the other edits that I have. Because YouTube के लिए मुझे best environment नहीं लग रहा है. It's very gloomy and I'm also feeling sleepy. So I think a dessert recipe would be great. Okay, decided. I'm gonna do the recipe. Okay, change in plans. अभी ये parcel receive हुआ है and I was supposed to create a video for this. This is a brand video. तो ऐसे भी मुझे वो वाला video नहीं बनाना है. Decided I'm gonna do the recipe. तो I'm gonna make this video. I need to check the script and ये बनाते हैं. Let's figure out the lighting around here. You know what? शूट नहीं करना है, एडिट करती हूँ एंड कल का प्लान करती हूँ. यू नो, मोस्ट डेज आर लाइक दिस ओनली. तो मुझे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है अभी ये सब चीज़ों में. गाइस, तो मैंने जो बोला था कि मैं करूँगी वो मैंने नहीं किया है एक्चुअली, एंड अभी आई एम एक्चुअली गोइंग टू कुक. चेंज हो गया है. मैंने सोच के रखा था कि मुझे क्या बोलना है, बट अब मैं भूल चुकी हूँ. एक्चुअली आई वॉज आइडियली सपोज टू स्टार्ट रीडिंग बुक, बट बिकॉज मैंने काम भी नहीं ख़त्म किया है. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. I'm writing a script for tomorrow. And honestly, आज मैंने पूरा दिन घर पे बेड पे बैठ के काम किया है, which is the worst place to work from. Today, I have surprisingly worked better than most days because of my system, of course. मैं ऑफिस में भी काम नहीं कर पाती हूँ, बेड पे तो खैर. I'm gonna read something to you, just something that I liked right now. In a pre-internet world where Amazon couldn't have existed, would Jeff Bezos be a non-passionate lump? If Spike Lee hadn't found a camera, would he be sitting around accepting the status quo? Passion is not project specific, it's people specific. Some people are hooked on passion, deriving their sense of self from the act of being passionate. On that note, good night.
The next day.
So on the agenda today is getting yesterday's pending work done first. So पहले मुझे एक शूट करना है ब्रांड के लिए. सेकंड, मुझे खुद का रेसिपी वीडियो शूट करना है. अभी I'll go to office, get the shoot done. फिर I'll get some things जो मुझे बाहर से लानी है. Then I'm planning to work from cafe or office, and then I'm planning for a tennis match in the evening. I'm already feeling better because I am taking steps into actually planning my day, and आज I think it's gonna be the last day. So I'm super excited to spend the day and actually make the most out of it. Makeup time. My makeup pouch says Modern Rani, just like me. My phone died twice today and मैं 2 घंटे से ट्राई कर रही हूँ शूट करने का बट इट्स जस्ट नॉट कंप्लीटिंग. कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता है. स्टोरेज इशू आ गया एक बार. I'm just a creator with storage problems and battery issues. क्या करूँ मैं? Is that a lot to ask for? I'm actually spending my time so that my phone gets charged and then I can complete my shoot. एक ही लाइन बाकी है यार. Whatever. And I'm also planning कि मैं YouTube video shoot करके ही जाती हूँ because I then have to come back. What do you think? What should I do? मैं करूँगी तो वो ही जो मुझे लगेगा करने जैसा. But you still can give your opinion, okay? I never said no. ये क्या बात हो गई? धूप आ रही है हमारे ऑफिस में in monsoon. That's actually a great time to complete the last line. मतलब एक ही लाइन बाकी है, but whatever. I'll do it in the धूप. It's back up. I'm planning to complete the YouTube shoot so that I don't need to come back to office. So let's go. One thing I've noticed about myself is that कि जब मैं पड़ी रहती हूँ बेड पे bed rotting करती हूँ basically, I feel the worst mentally. On the other hand, जब मैं shoot कर रही होती हूँ, I'm only trying to make the frame like full of entertainment. I automatically feel better, of course, because I'm checking my to-do list, I'm completing the tasks, I'm not bed rotting, and I'm actually moving. So I think it's all about your hormones. Enough of ज्ञान, back to work. बहुत लेट हो चुकी हूँ मैं and in Janana clothes because I actually shot a video for Janana. Small video. Change of plans. We are going to meet my friend. She's my school friend, so see you there.
This will be my first appearance in her video, but she knows me from 11th standard. Yeah.
वो इसके लास्ट वाले वीडियो में वही बोला था. Changed. Now I'm actually posting the YouTube video जो मैंने आज shoot किया था. इसमें कोई editing required नहीं था because this is a different kind of video जो मैंने record किया है for the first time. So posting that and उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत editing करूँगी. I'll plan for tomorrow and I'll call it a day. Published. It is 12:15 p.m. and I'm still working because I have a deadline today which I need to go with. So I'm so happy with the amount of work that I've done today. I just have not read the book, but it's fine because the goal was to get done with the work. Good job.
The next day.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night under street lamp, red face flame by the light. I'm going away.
Back in office. I have a deadline to meet, so I'm getting that done. And उसके बाद I had 2 shoots, जिसमें से I think एक ही हो पाएगा. And I was supposed to wrap this up by the morning, but time ही नहीं मिला. And I'm gonna get back to you super soon. Welcome back to kitchen. So I had a few things in my mind जो मुझे जिसके बारे में बताना था. I hope it's better now. So after I quit my job for full-time content creation, I had cut off myself from everything. Friends, socialization, free time, what was that? Movies, entertainment, everything was off because that thought just would not strike my mind कि मुझे कहीं बाहर जाना चाहिए. I mean, I would go out, I would travel, I would be with my family and all of that. But friends जो होता है, जो वो एक different type of socialization होता है, that was completely off. And this year particularly, I seriously wanted to get back to my old friends, to make new friends, and I actually made one new friend. And I then met my old friend yesterday on Friendship Day, which is great. So that's why it's a big milestone achievement for me. And secondly, just by committing to film a YouTube video, I have completed so many of my tasks that were so hard for me to even start with. So this is my 2 cents. Start recording yourself. Maybe just don't post about it, but just try to think that there are people watching you and you have committed to something, so you have to show up. So that's it. I don't know how you felt about it. This was like a proper getting out of a slump video for me. If you want me to do some video, let me know. Okay, bye bye.